Hello guys, welcome to Unacademy KCET YouTube live session. Myself Sharif, teaching JEE Mains and Advanced Math from past 16 years, taught math in India as well as abroad, currently working as head of the maths department and vice principal of Giraffe Learning. Before I start guys, please subscribe and enable the bell icon so that you get notifications of all my classes. And below the description box there is a link there. You can use that link to attend my special classes and plus classes on Unacademy platform. Alright, which I do in detail guys. So do follow that link to for attend my classes on Unacademy platform, and follow me in the app as well so that you get notifications for all my classes on Unacademy platform. Good afternoon Naina. Before I start guys, let me tell you about the Unacademy Plus subscription, and I'll tell you why do you need to take the subscription. For 12 months it will cost you 12375, that is 1031 per month. Enter this referral code, you get 10% off. And 6 months it's 10125, that's 1688 per month. That is enter this referral code, you get 10% off, and per month 2250. Alright, this subscription includes physics, chemistry, maths and bio as well. Okay, engineering, PCM, we have batches for PCM, batches for PCB, and batches for PCMB. Alright, now you get all premium content at affordable price, structured live courses plus dedicated live doubt clearing sessions. Every fourth class will be a doubt clearing session in which a student can ask any doubt guys. We have a complete session only for doubt solving. Alright, and then quizzes at regular intervals for self-analysis. Batches for complete preparation, that is both 11th and 12th syllabus, that's complete syllabus. Test series for DPPs, that is daily practice paper full and mock with analysis. You get all this under single subscription. And this is the Master's batch for KCET 2021 guys, which was started on 15th of this month. Alright, and best educators in the country. Yeah, good morning Raju, good afternoon in fact. Yeah, these are the test plans which I explained just now guys. Okay, now we are doing with the fourth session of PYQs of definite integrals guys. So we have done up to question number 19. Okay, let me start with question number 20. Okay, whenever the function is neither even nor odd guys, whenever the function neither even nor odd, so minus a to plus a f of x dx will be equal to integration 0 to a. This will be equal to f of x plus f of minus x dx. This is CET 2019 question, and it was asked in JEE Main as well. Minus a to plus a, f of x dx is f of x plus f of minus x dx. Minus x, and then this will be dx. Alright, now I'm going to take f of x is equal to cos x divided by 1 plus e to the power of x. Okay, and then f of minus x will be equal to cos of minus x divided by 1 plus e to the power of minus x, and cos of minus theta is plus cos theta only. So this is equal to integration of minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 cos x divided by 1 plus e to the power of x. 1 plus e power x dx is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2. Integral 0 to pi by 2. Okay, and then this is f of x. F of x will be equal to cos x divided by 1 plus e to the power of x, and f of minus x will be equal to cos x divided by 1 plus e to the power of minus x. Okay, and then this is dx. This is equal to 0 to pi. 0 to pi, I am going to take cos x common. Okay, and then you get 1 divided by 1 plus e to the power of x plus 1 divided by 1 plus e power minus x dx. Okay, let me take this in the next. This is equal to 0 to pi by 2. Integral 0 to pi by 2, and then this is equal to cos x. Okay, and then 1 divided by 1 plus e to the power of x plus 1 divided by e to the power of minus x can be written as 1 upon e power x. Okay, cross multiply and shift to numerator. This is integral 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2 cos x upon 1 divided by 1 plus e to the power of x. Shift to numerator, you get e power x divided by 1 plus e to the power of x dx. 0 to pi by 2. Okay, and then this is cos x. Denominators are same, numerators can be added. 1 plus e power x, even this is 1 plus e to the power of x, and then dx. Okay, so e power x, anyways this will cancel. Integration of cos is equal to sine between the limits 0 to pi by 2. Okay, upper limit will be equal to sine pi by 2 and lower limit will be sine 0. Sine 0 will be 0, sine 90 is 1. Okay, answer will be equal to 1. Answer will be option E. Alright guys, let's move to the next question. Zero to 1 log of 1 plus x upon 1 plus x square dx. Right now, integral 0 to 1 1 plus x square, right? So you have 1 plus x square. I'm going to put x is equal to 10. Put x is equal to tan theta. If I differentiate, I get dx is equal to sec square theta d theta. Right, even the limit will change, guys. When x is equal to 0, you get 0 is equal to tan theta. So this means that theta is equal to 0. And when x is equal to 1, 1 equal to tan theta, theta equal to pi by 4. Theta is equal to pi by 4. Yes, Raju, very good. When x is equal to 0, theta is equal to 0. When x is equal to 1, theta equal to pi by 4. So this is pi upon 4, and then you get this as log of 1 plus tan theta. Log of 1 plus tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, and then dx will be equal to sec square theta d theta. Sec square theta d theta. So this becomes 0 to pi by 4. 0 to pi by 4, and then this is log of 1 plus tan theta. Okay, and then 1 plus tan square is sec square. Okay, even this is equal to sec square theta d theta. So this will cancel. Right. Now I actually get 0 to pi by 4. 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan theta d theta. Log of 1 plus tan theta d theta. That's a standard result, no guys. That's a standard result, na? Integral 0 to pi by 2. Yes, that's a standard result which you need to remember. Board and NCERT, anyways, you prove it, guys. Integral 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan x dx. 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan x dx will be equal to pi by 8 into log 2. Okay, pi by 8 log 2. So this should be equal to pi by 8 into log 2. Right, answer will be equal to option B. Good afternoon, Parvat. Let's move to the next question, guys. Question number 22. Minus 1 to plus 1 modulus of 1 minus x dx. Okay, between minus 1 and plus 1, this will be obviously be positive. You put any value between minus 1 plus 1, 1 minus x will be positive only. So this will be equal to minus 1 to plus 1. You will get 1 minus x dx. Okay, integration of x will be equal to x square by 2. X square by 2, coefficient of x is minus, divide by minus, between the limits minus 1 to plus 1. Keep minus 1 upon 2 as it is. Okay, now if I substitute upper limit, you will get this is 1 minus 1 the whole square. Plus minus lower limit is 1 minus and minus plus 1 the whole square. Anyways, this fellow is 0. You get minus half. You square this, you get minus 4. Minus and minus is plus. You get plus 2. Answer is option C. Or you separate them and do it, you still get the same answer. Let's move to the next question, guys. 0 to pi by 2 cos minus sine upon 1 plus cos x into sin x. Okay, now I take this as I is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 cos x minus sin x upon 1 plus cos x into sin x. Plus cos x into sin x dx. Okay, let's call equation 1. I'm going to use the property. Raju, you get plus 2, not minus 2. You get plus 2. Just check. Answer is plus 2. Alright, answer will be third option only. Yes, 9 are right. You call this equation 1. Okay, I'm going to use the property 0 to a f of x dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. So I'm going to use this King's property. So this becomes I is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2. Upper limit minus x will be equal to cos of pi by 2 minus x. Okay, again upper limit minus x will be equal to sin of pi by 2 minus x divided by 1 plus cos of upper limit minus x is pi by 2 minus x, and then sin of upper limit minus x will be equal to pi by 2 minus x. Okay, so this becomes I is equal to integration of 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2 cos of 90 minus x is sin x. Okay, and sin of 90 minus x will be equal to cos x. Okay, upon 1 plus cos of 90 minus x is sin x, and then this is cos x dx. Okay, now you call equation 2. Either you add 1 and 2 or take minus common and replace that by I. Both are same. If I add equations 1 and 2, 2i is equal to integration of 0 to pi by 2. Integral 0 to pi by 2, take this in a bracket. This is cos x minus sin x divided by 1 plus cos x into sin x. Cos x into sin x, and then plus this is sin minus cos. Okay, sin minus cos upon this equal to 1 plus sin into cos. 1 plus sin into cos and then dx. You get 2i is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2. Integral 0 to pi by 2, LCM will be equal to 1 plus cos x into sin x. So numerator will be equal to cos minus sin. Cos minus sin plus sin minus cos. Sin minus cos, take this in a bracket and then dx. Okay, let us cancel this, guys. So you get 2i is equal to 0. Okay, integration of 0 will be 0. So you get I is equal to 0. Everything will cancel, right? Answer will be 0. Answer is option A only. Let's move to the next question, guys. 0 to pi by 8 cos cube 4 theta d theta. Okay, now listen. Before I go to this question, guys, okay, let me tell you about the reduction formula. Very useful for competitive exams. Okay, reduction formula. Okay, watch out carefully, guys. When you have, suppose, integration 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2 sine power mx. Okay, that is same as integral 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2 cos to the power of mx. Mx, then the formula will be equal to m minus 1, m minus 3, okay, m minus 5, so on, divided by m minus 2, m minus 4, and so on. Multiply by pi by 2. Multiply by pi by 2 if m is even. If m is even, you multiply by pi by 2. Otherwise, don't multiply. Yes, Raju, very good, correct. Okay, now listen, guys. Example. If you have, suppose, 0 to pi by 2 sine to the power of 6x. Okay, let us use that above formula. M minus 1 will be 5, then 2 less it will be 3, then 2 less it is 1. No negative, no zeros. Denominator m minus 2, that is 4, then you get 2, and multiply by pi by 2 if it is even. Right, this will cancel 2 times. So this becomes 5 pi upon, right, 4 8 32. That's the answer. Right, now example, let's say if you have 0 to pi by 2, okay, and then sine to the cos to the power of 5, sine or cos 0 to pi by 2, same logic. Okay, now m minus 1 will be 4, then 2 less, it will be 2, okay, divided by 5, then 2 less, it will be 3, and then don't multiply by pi by 2. You will multiply by pi by 2 only when m is even. Okay, so this becomes 8 by 15. Okay, now let's say, guys, if you have 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2 sine power mx, and cos to the power of nx, and then dx. Then reduction formula will be equal to m minus 1, m minus 3, similarly m minus 5, and so on. This will continue. And then you get n minus 1, okay, n minus 1, n minus 3, n minus 1, n minus 3, and so on, divided by m plus n, and then you get m plus n minus 2, next m plus n minus 4, okay, and so on. You will multiply by pi by 2, multiply by pi by 2, okay, only if, multiply by pi by 2 only if m and n are even. Multiply by pi by 2 only if m and n are even. Otherwise, don't multiply. Other cases, you're not going to multiply. M even, n odd, n odd, m even, both odd, you will not multiply. Only if both, let me write, multiply by pi by 2 only if both m and n are even. Okay, example, let's say if you have integral 0 to pi by 2, okay, integral 0 to pi by 2 sine to the power of 4x and cos to the power of 6x. Okay, m minus 1 will be equal to 3, and then then 2 less, it will be 3. Here you get 5, okay, and then here you get 3, and then 1. Okay, and then you will get this as 10. Okay, and then 8, and then you get 6. Okay, and then 4, then 2, multiply by pi by 2 since both m and n are even. Okay, and simplify, you will get the answer. So we will use the same logic, guys. I'm going to put 4 theta is equal to t. Okay, now I get 4 into d theta is equal to dt. So d theta is equal to dt upon 4. Okay, called equation 1. When theta is equal to 0, t is equal to 0. When theta is equal to pi by 8, t is equal to pi by 2. So this limit becomes 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2, this is equal to cos cube t, and d theta is equal to dt upon 4. Okay, so I'm going to take 1 by 4 out, guys. Integration 0 to pi by 2. Integral 0 to pi by 2, and then you get this is cos cube t into dt. Okay, so that's equal to 1 upon 4. That's easy to remember, no, Raju? Any trick to remember formula? Yeah, it's easy only, na? So here you get m, numerator will be m, you get all the odd value, 1 less, m minus 1, m minus 3 and so on. Denominator m, m minus 2, m minus 4. Same thing you will repeat here, m minus 3, n minus 1, n minus 3, m plus n minus 2. Same trick you will remember, it's easy to remember. Like how I remember, it's easy only, right? What big deal? 1 upon 4. So here you get m minus 1. So 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay, and then divided by 3, and then you get 1. Don't multiply by pi by 2. You multiply pi by 2 only when it is even. This will cancel 2 times. You get 1 upon 6. Okay, answer will be equal to d only. Yes, guys, let's go to the next question. Pi by 4 to pi by 2 cos square x cosec square x dx. Okay, that's a simple one. Integration of cosec square x is minus cot x between the limits pi by 4 to pi by 2. Upper limit will be equal to cot pi by 2. Lower limit is cot pi by 4. Cot 90 will be 0, cot 45 will be 1. Answer will be equal to plus 1. Answer is B. Okay, let's move to the next question. Just now I taught you guys 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan x dx. It's a standard result now. We did today's session first question. 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan x dx is pi by 8 into log 2. Answer will be equal to option A. Right, question number 27. I'm supposed to find a relation between I1 and I2. I1 is equal to integration 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2 x into sin x dx. Okay, let's call this is equation 1. I'm going to use the property 0 to a f of x dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Now I1 is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2. Upper limit minus x is pi by 2 minus x. Okay, and then you get this is sine of pi by 2 minus x. Okay, and then dx. So this becomes I1 is equal to integration 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2 minus x. Okay, and sine of 90 minus x is equal to cos x. So I1 is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 into cos x minus integration 0 to pi by 2 and then x into cos x dx. Right, this is same as I2. Same as I2, you shift here, you will get I1 plus I2 is equal to pi by 2, right? Integration of cos x is sin x between the limit 0 to pi by 2. You will get I1 plus I2 is equal to pi by 2. Upper limit will be equal to sin of pi by 2. Okay, lower limit is sin 0. Sin 0 will be 0. So you get I1 plus I2 is equal to pi by 2. That's the answer. I1 plus I2 will be equal to pi upon 2. Answer will be D. Isn't it, guys? Okay, let's move to the next question. What is f of minus x plus f of minus f of x divided by x square? Okay, now let me first find out f of x. F of x is equal to, okay, f of x is equal to 4x square minus 3x square plus 1. Alright, f of x is equal to 4x square minus 3x plus 1. F of minus x is equal to 4 into minus x the whole square minus 3 into minus x and plus 1. So you get f of x, let me simplify this. This will be equal to 4x square plus 3x plus 1. Okay, now if I simplify this, guys, g of x is equal to f of minus x minus f of x, okay, whole divided by x square plus 3. Now g of x is equal to f of minus x will be equal to 4x square plus 3x plus 1. Okay, minus f of x will be equal to 4x square minus 3x plus 1 and then whole divided by x square plus 3. Okay, now this can be written as g of x is equal to, if you open the bracket and simplify, alright, you will get this as 3x 4x square plus 3x plus 1, okay, and then minus 4x square plus 3x minus 1 divided by x square plus 3. Okay, this will cancel and cancel this as well. You will get g of x is equal to 6x upon x square plus 3. Isn't it, guys? This is g of x. 2006 question, CET 2006 question. This is g of x. Okay, now g of minus x will be equal to 6 of minus x divided by minus x the whole square plus 3. Okay, that's equal to again minus g of x only, because denominator will be positive. So this means that g of x is odd. Okay, g of x is odd. So this you have done in NCERT. Minus a to plus a, f of x dx will be equal to 2 times 0 to a. 2 times 0 to a f of x dx if fx is even. If x is even, 0 if fx is odd. So if it's an odd function, answer will be 0. Yes, this is odd, guys. Minus 2 to plus 2 f of g of x dx is odd. So answer will be equal to 0. Answer is option B. Yes, guys, good question. Okay, question number 29. 0 to pi by 2 sin power 100 minus cos to the power of 100. I is equal to 0 to pi by 2 sin power 100x minus cos to the power of 100x. Okay, you call equation 1. So if I use the property 0 to a f of x dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. So this becomes I is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 sin to the power of 100 of pi by 2 minus x minus cos to the power of 100 of pi by 2 minus x. Okay, so this becomes I is equal to integration 0 to pi by 2 sin of 90 minus x is equal to cos x. So you get cos power 100 of x minus sin to the power of 100 to the power of x. Okay, take minus common, guys. Take minus common. This is 0 to pi by 2. Okay, sin x to the power of 100 sin power 100x minus cos to the power of 100x. Just take minus common. Close the bracket and then dx. Same as I is equal to minus I. Okay, so you get 2i is equal to 0. 2i is equal to 0, same as I equal to 0. Answer is option D. Otherwise, looking at the question only, you can tell the answer, guys. Just now I told you the reduction formula. 0 to pi by 2 sin power mx. No matter what the value of m is, 0 to pi by 2 sin power mx is 0, same as 0 to pi by 2 cos to the power of mx. Same answer, obviously they are equal. So this fellow and this fellow will cancel, answer will be 0 only. That's it. Looking at the question only, you can tell the answer. So I'll stop here, guys. So please do share my video, guys. Like and share my video. And please let me tell you once again, follow me on the subscribe and enable the bell icon so that you get the notifications of all my classes. And subscribe me, follow me, guys, on Unacademy platform as well, so that you get notification of all my classes on the Unacademy platform. You can attend all the plus classes and special classes which I do in detail. Alright, so we'll meet up in the next class, guys. Next session, my next session will be on 23rd of this month. We will do PYQs of definite integrals on section 4. Thanks for joining me, guys. God bless you. Bye. Take care. Have a nice day.